In these videos, I was showing you how to recreate trending shorts and showed you my own method of creating World War II shorts using various AI tools. These videos are actually insanely engaging, and seeing as I've accidentally become the how to create these videos guy in this video, I decided to develop my own new way to create these historical shorts. You heard it correctly, guys. Today, I am creating a whole new niche, Viking shorts, and you will have the opportunity to be one of the first people to get this information. Not only that, this will be an ultimate course about video creation and editing with AI. Truly, this is the best product on the market right now. That's far better than even some of the paid courses. If you're not one of the people who asked me to create this video, then why should you actually learn this skill? Creating these videos has helped these AI history channels to make an insane amount of money, and today I am giving you the opportunity to be the first one in a brand new niche. So it will be super easy to go viral simply because it's very fresh content that people have never seen before. If you watch to the end of this video, I will show you my secret methods with which you can monetize these channels. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use ChatGPT to generate the script, AI image generator, Leonardo AI to generate the imagery, and we're going to generate a voiceover for the script using DUP. Then we will animate our images using Pixverse.ai. This way our videos will really stand out from the crowd. Finally, we're going to put it all together with a bit of magic in Capcut. So guys, other YouTubers charge hundreds of dollars for a course like this, but I believe in providing free value to people and serving my audience. So please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Comment anything you want. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so first of all, we need the script. Let's head over to ChatGPT for that. Now guys, here is the thing: you have to know how to talk to ChatGPT and use particular keywords to generate a truly great story that can go viral. So I am going to ask it to generate a short and engaging story about Vikings located somewhere in Sweden, because that's where they originate from, obviously, so we will use it in a 30-second YouTube short video. You can also ask it to use simple English that even a 10-year-old will understand. Okay, so whatever we have here is good, but not good enough. Let's actually ask GPT to make the story shorter, actually use simple English, and feature 2 Vikings. The adjusted story should look better. If you are not satisfied with the result, just keep generating different stories. So next, we actually can use ChatGPT to write the prompts for us to generate the images with Leonardo AI. So all you do is literally just underneath the story that ChatGPT generated, you ask, can you write a list of prompts to generate images for this in Leonardo AI? I will also emphasize that I want everything to take place in a winter snowy setting, following stereotypical and traditional looks that Vikings had. So now it will literally give you a list of prompts that also goes along with the story narrative. So it's very, very handy. And then now you're ready to open Leonardo AI and start pasting your prompts in there to use Leonardo AI. Simply create an account. Link will be in the description. On a free account, they allocate 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now just go to image generation right here. Now choose the absolute reality model right here. If you are rolling with the free plan, that's the best model available to free users. Next, go to ChatGPT and just paste the prompt in. Now at the end of the prompt, type in the additional prompt of hyper-realistic, because I think it really helps to make these images look super realistic. Now on the left side, choose the image dimensions just like mine, 16 by 9. And the max resolution for the extra clean looking pictures. Now hit generate a few times, and as you can see, it gave us something quite good. So I'm going to open this one to take a closer look. And as you can see, it turned out crazy good. And this is literally what's so good about these AI image generators. So I'm going to close off this one and download the picture I like the most. And now get the second prompt. Add the hyper-realistic part and hit generate. We already have 2 images generated, so we have about 8 remaining, since I asked ChatGPT to provide me with 10 prompts in total. But before we proceed to create all 10 images, I want to show you one more trick. You can click on the image, and in the bottom right corner, hit Alchemy Crisp Upscale. It makes the pictures look super clean and full resolution. Now repeat this process again and start getting the collection together. Copy and paste each one from ChatGPT and make sure to add the hyper-realistic to each prompt and upscale them after they are generated. I'm going to speed this part up to keep the video moving. Okay, we got our images ready. Now let's animate these pictures to take our video to the next level. We will use Pixverse.ai tool for that. So go to Pixverse. I click on image, and right here, you will see this button. It brings motion next. Literally, just click on it. Set the motion to around 3 to 5 and hit generate. It's going to take a few seconds. Wow, look at this. Now we have an animated image within seconds. You guys have to understand how crazy this is. Just a few years ago, this would be the job of a professional animator and could take a few hours to complete. Now with these AI tools, we can animate pictures, write scripts, and create voiceovers within seconds. Anyway, repeat this process with all the images and download them all just like that. Our B-roll footage is done, so now we've got the script, and we've used ChatGPT to come up with the image prompts for Leonardo, and we've generated all the image prompts for the whole storyline of the script. It's time to generate the voiceover, and we're going to use DoopDub. So let me show you how. Again, you can use the link in the description. So let's go to DoopDub's homepage, head to the audio section right here. Now simply paste our script. I sifted through hundreds of AI voiceovers available. Each one is ultra realistic and perfect for our purpose. I think this voice Hollywood best fits our purpose and sounds quite brutal, just like the Vikings would sound. Now pay attention, this is important. Click right here on More Voiceovers and choose Hopeful as the narration style. Once you configure the settings, hit Export and choose the MP3 audio format sounds. Great, download it. And let's go to the next step. So now the next step is editing in Capcut. Now once you are in Capcut, import all the animations we have made so far, voiceover and the audio that you have chosen. So first of all, I'm going to add the voiceover. Now I have to sync up the parts of the story with the image that ChatGPT gave me for each section of the story. Okay, so the next step is editing the voiceover, as you can see. Now it has a lot of pauses. And trust me guys, if we just leave it like that, your video will never go viral and people will just click off. So in order to prevent that, we need to remove all the pauses. To do that, click on the voiceover track. Now drag your mouse where the voice ends. Now you can click this split button right here. To make it faster, you get the blade tool. You can click Ctrl B or Command B if you are on Mac. Now do the same in the place right where the audio starts. Okay, so now you have this empty bit of the audio. Simply click on it and hit delete. Finally, click on the voice over on the right side and drag it over. Bingo, the pause has been removed. Now do the same with the whole voiceover to keep the video super engaging. Okay, now, we have edited our voiceover and adjusted the pictures. Alright guys, how are you feeling? Easy to understand? Everything is clear so far? If not, always remember that you can write a comment and I will answer it for real. Now let's continue to Capcut. Alright, now let's start working with the visuals. So the first effect we're going to guide, we're going to go into the filters panel and we're going to add the clear filter literally. Just click the plus button. It'll add it to the timeline. And then just going to drag it all the way along the entire timeline. And that's the first effect done, and this just adds clarity to the image. Now click on the filter. And on the right side, you can adjust it as you prefer. I like to do around 30 or so. It also depends on the colors you are working with. So it is a nice filter I personally use a lot. But the setting depends on the picture color is what I'm trying to say. For now, I will leave it this. Now let's continue the color grading. In the top left, click on these arrows and you will see the adjustments tab. Click on the plus icon. So guys, essentially, it allows you to do the color grading for the whole video at once. First of all, scroll all the way down and find the vignette setting. Increase it to about 15 to 25. It's my favorite range. This effect darkens the edges, which adds the cinematic effect to the video. Next, increase the sharpen to around 5 slightly. Increase the clarity too. Also play around with brightness and contrast and all other effects that you see here. Feel free to copy my settings. But remember guys, this all depends on the colors you are working with. Now in the text section, go to Captions and click on Auto Captions. Select English and hit Generate. After they are generated on the right side, we got to choose the font size. It is also important to click on the captions and place them. Make sure the Apply to All thing is selected right here. Otherwise, you will have to do it one by one. Basically, regarding caption, just follow my steps here. It should be pretty straightforward. Looks like we are finally done with the editing, and then it's literally just an export. So I'm just gonna export it, click Export, and then we're done. But hold on, guys, here comes a very important part that nobody really talks about you. See, at the beginning of the video, I told you that this video is better than a lot of the paid courses. So here is what I meant. Nobody really shows you the actual process of uploading and launching your channel. So I already have this historical channel. It's where I am going to upload. Now I am going to go to my channel and upload the video. Now let's do some SEO and all that good stuff. For that, I am going to use vidIQ. You can use my link in the description and enjoy the exclusive $1 deal. So when you land on vidIQ, hit on AI Coach at the top. Now type in the prime that you're creating historical shorts about Vikings, and you need tags for it. Now copy the tags and paste them right here on YouTube. Next, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a name for the video that is short and catchy, and also the description for it. Also paste it all in the according fields. Next, just hit publish and our video is live now. Let's watch the final finished product together. And right after we watch it, I can tell you guys how to monetize all of this. That's why you clicked on this video. Now, how do you actually make money from it? So in order to get your channel monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 followers and either 10 million views from YouTube Shorts or 4,000 watch hours on longer form videos. Here is what you can do on your new channel. First, you can use this YouTube short strategy I showed you guys today as a way to sort of boost your new channel and have a fast start. Trust me guys, I have done my research and I saw so many channels just doing millions of views in a matter of a few weeks. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. See you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.